Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical ports. Locate the VGA 15 pin on both devices, usually blue or labeled. Once done, power off and unplug the monitor and PC to prevent shorts, and lay the cable out without kinks. Thread the VGA connector into the monitor port, align pins carefully so none bend, and hand tighten the thumb screws about 1/2 turn. This secures the connection without risking stripped threads. Make sure the cable runs free from sharp edges to prevent damage. Now plug the other VGA end into the PC's video output, aligning the 15 pins gently and tightening the screws evenly so the connector sits flush. Next, reconnect power and power on the monitor first, then the PC. This order helps the monitor recognize the incoming analog signal. If the screen stays blank, open the monitor's on-screen display and explicitly select the VGA input. Also check the PC's display settings to ensure output is enabled, because the system may still be set to another output. Finally, adjust the display resolution to the monitor's native specification in your operating system so the image is sharp and correctly scaled. If you see no image, first power down and reseat both VGA connectors, then inspect for bent pins. Replace the cable if any damage appears. If the PC uses digital outputs only, use a proper active adapter to VGA. Make sure brightness and contrast are set. If colors look off, try another cable or input to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.